Some planets are hot, some are cold, and some shouldn't even exist. They rain metal, boil with lava, and lose their atmospheres into space. These planets are real, and they exist right now. Kepler 186f. Kepler 186f was one of the first planets ever discovered inside the habitable zone of its star, that narrow region where liquid water could exist. It's only slightly larger than Earth, rocky, solid, familiar. On paper, it looks like a twin, but there's a problem. Its star is a red dwarf, smaller than our Sun, but far more violent. Red dwarfs unleash powerful flares and radiation bursts that can strip atmospheres away. So Kepler 186f might look like Earth, but surviving there would be a constant gamble against stellar chaos.
WASP-12b. WASP-12b orbits so close to its star that a full year lasts just over one Earth day. Temperatures exceed 2,500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metals, hot enough to destroy molecules. The planet is stretched into an egg shape by extreme tidal forces. Its atmosphere is literally being pulled into space, forming a glowing cloud around the star. Even stranger, WASP-12b reflects almost no light. It's one of the darkest planets ever discovered, a world that doesn't shine because it absorbs nearly everything.
Kepler 10b. Kepler 10b is rocky, dense, Earth-like in composition, but that's where the similarities end. This planet orbits so close to its star that its surface is covered by global oceans of lava. Not lakes, not rivers, entire seas of molten rock. Daytime temperatures melt stone instantly. There's no atmosphere to distribute heat, no weather, no clouds, just a permanently glowing surface. A planet that looks like it's still being forged.
HD 209458b. This planet is disappearing, and we can see it happening. HD 209458b is losing hydrogen at tens of thousands of tons per second. Its atmosphere stretches behind it like a comet tail. For the first time, astronomers directly observed a planet actively evaporating. It's not exploding, it's not collapsing. It's slowly, quietly fading into space.
GJ1214b. GJ1214b may be a planet with no land at all. Models suggest it could be covered almost entirely by deep global oceans, hundreds of kilometers deep. Above them, a thick atmosphere filled with steam, clouds, and haze. The surface is completely hidden. If you stood there, you wouldn't see continents or mountains, only endless water, stretching beyond the horizon in every direction.
WASP-76b. WASP-76b is tidally locked. One side faces its star forever. The other lives in eternal night. On the day side, temperatures vaporize iron. Yes, iron becomes gas. Powerful winds carry that iron to the cooler night side, where it condenses and falls as liquid metal rain. Iron rain falling from alien skies on a planet where weather itself defies imagination. Kepler 138d. Kepler 138d is larger than Earth, but far less dense, which means it isn't solid in the way we expect. It's likely made of thick gases, superheated water, and exotic states of matter. Not rock, not gas, something in between. A planet that forces scientists to rethink what a planet even is.
HD 80606b. This planet's orbit is extreme beyond reason. For most of its year, drifts far from its star, cold and dark. Then, suddenly, it swings incredibly close. In just hours, temperatures rise by over 1,000 degrees Celsius. Its atmosphere violently expands, winds accelerate to supersonic speeds, and the planet is shock-heated from the inside. Then it moves away again, cooling, contracting, recovering. No balance, no stability, just endless cycles of destruction and survival. A world that endures the unendurable. If you're wondering why these planets have such weird names, and some even come with numbers, honestly, I have no idea either. Apparently, the universe loves confusing us.